in blood and body fluids, very important question related to direction of blood flow. That is, we will start from here. From the body, all the deoxygenated blood, that is which has to be purified, is collected and it enters the right atrium of the heart through superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. It flows into the right atrium. Deoxygenated blood from the body is collected through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These two are blood vessels which flows into the right atrium of the heart. Between the right atrium and right ventricle you have tricuspid valve. So from the right atrium blood flows into the right ventricle. From the right ventricle it flows into the pulmonary artery, and pulmonary artery carries this deoxygenated blood into the lungs. So tricuspid valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle to prevent backward flow of blood. Between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery you have the semilunar valve, that is the pulmonary valve, and pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Here in the lungs exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place and the blood is purified. Now the oxygenated blood is carried through the pulmonary veins. From the lungs the blood is carried by the pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins opens into the left atrium. From the left atrium blood flows to the left ventricle. Between left atrium and left ventricle you have bicuspid valve or mitral valve, and from left ventricle it flows into aorta, the largest vessel of the body. Between left ventricle and aorta you have the aortic valve, the other semilunar valve, and the aorta carries oxygenated blood and supplies to all parts of the body. So the cycle completes like this.